today I'll be showing you guys one of the ways I keep my hair protected, especially when I'm on break. So what I do is I just make a straight line in the middle. It's pretty hard. So I just spray it down. Then I will brush it out so it doesn't get tangled while I braid it. And this is the gel I use. Just get a little bit. This helps keep the frizz down and it helps me keep my braids in longer. I add a little bit more on my baby hair. Okay, and you could even grab your little edge brush and add gel. To keep everything in place. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna start braiding it. Oh, excuse me. It's not gonna always come out perfect, but it's fine because I'm just gonna be inside the house anyways. So this is how it looks so far. And I just get a little rubber band and tie the end so that it doesn't unravel or unbraid. Okay, now this side is all done. I'm gonna do the same on this side. It's all that you got from me. last thing I would do is just do my edges, and I would just grab some gel on my edge brush. Okay, do the same on this side. And if it's still frizzy on the top, you could just grab some gel. Just put it right on it. And just run your fingers through. And I'm all done. So usually I keep this in for 2-3 days. And then I move on to another hairstyle. Okay. All right, thank you for watching. Please comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.